All right, fellow trader, I just want to do a conclusion of the series I started on Forex for Beginners. Not really like a conclusion because I'm still going to be bringing some other stuff to your notice on basic terms and basic moves in Forex. All right, if you have not seen the first edition of the video, and may please, the link is in the description below. Try and do so. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video for anyone that are interested in learning Forex. I bet you don't want to miss this channel. I am not actually um, trying to cajole you to subscribe. You notice I had to show my face for you to see. Just a small boy talking to you. I'm also starting in Forex, but I've known and I've learned a lot from the best. I've learned a lot from the best. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you. My next video is going to be on technical analysis when I've discovered that I have pools of community that are learning. I want to create community of new developers, new traders that are learning how to trade. All right, I want to take their own future into their hands. All right, so that's why I'm doing this video. Okay, now we've talked about a lot of things in the first edition of this video. The next question is, how do I make profit? How do I make money? How do I execute trade? That's easy. So I'm going to be doing a very like a demo account, although the account it's more like a demo account. All right. So how to make profits in the market. Very easy. So I'll be talking about pips. Okay. Talking about something like pips. Okay, basically, what is pips? How do you know pips? Because it is from these pips you get to know your profit, you get to know your losses. All right. Now I introduce you to movement of candlesticks. Okay. And you can see this candlestick is moving. So let me reduce this to 1 minute so that I'll be able to see more volatility, more movements in the market. All right. Okay. Okay, so sorry for that distraction. Somebody was actually calling on my attention. All right, so now you see this market, this particular candle is moving in pips. It's moving in pips. Pips, you can see pips is just the difference in prices. All right. Assuming you get into the trade here, let me pick up the two. Assuming you get into your trade here, what price is this? 1.09433, and then you leave your trade, say the market will come here, and then you left, sorry, yeah, and then you leave your trade here, and then you exit. Maybe you get into the market here, and then you exit your trade at, say, um, 1.0933, what's it called? So the difference now, right? The difference in the, let me pick my two guys. So sorry, because this part is very critical, so I'm going to be a little bit slow. All right, the difference in this price here, 1.09433, okay, minus 1.093, about that, 87, all right? Now, the difference in these prices, you took a trade, like you say the market is going to go down. That means you sold. You predicted the market with the candlestick will go down. That means it will sell. All right, took a trade that from here to here, you want to sell the market. You want the market to sell, and you are predicting because of something you have seen, which I'll be teaching you in the next lesson, the technical analysis. What do you see? What made you take that decision that you want to buy or you want to sell? All right, so let's take the subtraction first. Simple mathematics, 3 take away this is not possible. All right. So let me actually pick my calculator. Let me just use my calculator to do this calculation. So we have, you can also do the calculation if you want to, but I'm doing this outside 1.09433 minus 1.09 say 387, right? 387. So now we have 46, right? We have 0.00046. All right, so this market has moved from here to here. This market has moved from here to here, all right? It moved from here to this place. It has moved about 46 pips, all right? That's what it means. It moved 46 pips, guys. Now, there's a tool that we're introducing to you in the trading view. You know this trading view already. because you've seen the, what's it called? You've seen, say, the first part version of this video. Now, let me quickly introduce you to part of the tools here. This is what we call the Fibonacci tool. You see this particular one, Fib retracement. We use these particular tools to measure the range of trading. I'm going to be doing some videos about dealing range and trading range, but we use these tools to measure, okay? It's like this. See the tools here. It's for us to know where price is at a particular time, where price is going, where price will reverse, like that. But, excuse me, the tools I want to talk about mostly is this particular forecasting tool. I'm going to click the arrow here, and I will be picking short. Short is for selling. You want to predict that the market is going to sell, so you pick short. You want to predict that the market is going to buy, you pick long. But I predicted the market will short, so I pick short. I'm going to put it here. All right. So you see this thing is divided into two different colors. You see the orange color and the what? You see the orange color and see the light green color, right? Now, if I put it here, because I'm going to put, now you see the middle, there's a middle here. So I'm going to put the middle here. If I put the middle here, this is where I want to enter my market, all right? And I decided that the market is going to sell down here. Okay, this was where you say the market is going to sell, right? Good. Now, what we got there was 0.0000446, right? 46. Now, that 46 is not actually 46 pips. It's actually 4.6 pips. All right, guys? It's actually 4.6 pips. 4.6 pips. That means the market pips simply means the difference in the prices from the buying price to the closing price. All right? That is, the market is moving. All this tick, tick, tick. The market is going up, up, down, up, down, up, down. They are called pips. So this is the tools you can use to measure your profit. Now, from here, so I now said that this market will move to this point, and the market actually moved there. That means I have gained 4.6 pips. Let's say the market moved to, say, let me actually move to 5 pips. 5 pips. Okay. So this is 5 pips. You see this thing that you're seeing there? That's 5 pips, all right? 5 pips. Now, how do I convert 5 pips to profit since I am right? Very simple. I'll introduce you to another terms called the lot size, okay? I'm going to introduce you to what we call the lot size, all right? Lot size. Lot size is the amount, okay? Is the amount of lot size. Lot size is the amount of the quantity of trade you bought. Lot size begins from the lowest lot size is 0.001, 0.001, 0.01, that's in Forex. The smallest lot size is 0.01. Then the highest lot size that you can use 100 lot size if you want to. Okay? You can use 1 million, you can use one, I think 100 lot size is the highest. 100 lot size. Yes, 0.001 to at least 100 lot size. But as a new trader, guys, don't go use this lot size. We're going to be doing a demo. My next video is going to be on demo trading. I will show you the broker I'm using for this account and how this my lot size is resulting into profits. Okay, that's exactly what we're going to be doing in the next video. So you can see that I picked these tools. I decided to pick these measuring tools here. We call it forecasting tools. I clicked here and I picked short because I predicted that the market is going to short. So when I click it, I have to bring it to where I want to enter my market. That's, we call it forecasting. Like I told you, trading is forecasting. We are predicting the future. All right. So now I pick these measuring tools, guys. I picked these measuring tools and eventually I was in profit. So I got 5 pips. Now, if I decide to use a particular lot size, so like I said, this lot size simply means the quantity of a particular currency you want to buy. Now, what am I buying? What am I selling? Let me use the opportunity to explain that. Now, this is Euro USD, Euro USD. We call it Euro USD. That means you, as a particular trader, you are having Euro in your hand. You're having Euro in your hand. And you want to use this Euro to buy or sell. You want to use this Euro to buy or sell. So what do? You pick the Euro, you go to the market, like in your broker, for instance,
When you go to your market, what do? You buy the dollar or you sell the dollar. You give the euro in exchange for dollar. That's exactly what you're doing. That's exactly what you're buying. Now, when you have euro, thank you. When you have euro, all right, you have euro. Sorry again, I'm outside, so a lot of people are just greeting me and telling me giving me shout out, and I'm sure they say they should accept that. Telling you guys shout out as well. Okay, now let's go back to business. So you buy euro, you buy dollar or sell dollar, what you're having. So the first currency that appeared is what you're having in your hand, in your disposal, right? So well, in this case now, guys, we sold. I sold euro actually in exchange for what? Dollar. Okay. So what I'm actually doing is that I want to sell this guy. I want to sell it. Please, I want to sell because I realize that euro will go for. You're saying that I want to sell because euro wants to fall. You see the prediction there, but you see the prediction there, right? Okay. Now, selling euro is what I've just done because it will soon fall. It will fall. That was my prediction. And guys, the euro is falling. Look at it. It has fallen to what? This is what? It fell to how many pips now? This is 7.6, almost 8 pips. It's falling down. So my prediction is right. So what I do is that I will go to my broker and initiate a trade, sell euro for me at this price. And as soon as I initiate that, my profit will be going on. And I say, I want to leave the market at this point. How do I convert that to profit? That's the question. Now, if I now enter with one lot size, one lot size is called standard lot size. One lot size is called standard lot size. And each lot size has a dollar value. Mark what I'm saying. This is very important. You want to watch the video over and over again, guys. Each lot size has a dollar what? A dollar value. Let me write this. Like I said, I'm going to be a little bit slow on this video so you can get everything. You see, one lot size is what I'm using. One lot size. One. And each of these lot size has a dollar value. What's the dollar value for one lot size? Simple. The dollar value for one lot size is $10. Now, 0.1 lot size also can be used. What's the dollar value? It's $1. $1 for this, $10 for one lot size. Then, if you want to use the smallest lot size, 0.01, the dollar value for this guy is 1 cent. That's $0.1. So if I decide to use what? One lot size inside my broker, I will take a trade for you to see how I can execute trade with a broker. I've analyzed the market. I have put my measuring tool. I say euro wants to fall. I want to sell my euro. So I am selling euro for USD. So I decide to sell. And I initiated the trade in a broker that I introduced to you in the first video. I introduced the trade. And as soon as I introduce the trade, I wait. What lot size did I use? This. This is what will convert my pips. What pips is this? This will convert my pips to what? 7. Convert it to money. Now, what do we have? Let's say 8 pips. This is 7.6, right? 8 pips. All right. Now, how do we do it now? Since we say that each pip has a dollar value. What's the dollar value for this? $10. So I have 8 pips. 8 pips. This is how to convert your pips to money now. 8 pips times $10. So everything you have made as a profit, because you are correct, is $80 in just how many minutes? Let me find out. How many minutes? This is 1 minute. This is exactly 1 minute candlestick, right? So from here, let's say this is the beginning. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Each candle is formed in 1 minute. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes, 12 minutes, 13 minutes, 14 minutes, 14 minutes. In less than 15 minutes, you make $80 because you use one lot size. But what if I use 0.1 lot size? If I use 0.1 lot size, so what I do is I do 8 times 0. Sorry, I won't say 0.1 because the dollar value is what I'm multiplying. The dollar value for 0.1 is 1. So 8 times 1 is going to give me $8. So in less than 15 minutes, you make $8. In less than 15 minutes, you make $8. All right? So that's it. What if you use 0.01? 0.01. Let me use my calculator. 0.01, because this is decimal. I cannot come and kill myself calculating decimal. 0.1, because the dollar value for 0.01 is $0.1, okay? Times 8. So what is my money? I've made just less than $1 actually. I've made 0.8 cents, not up to $1. So most times the lowest you want to use is 0.1. That's if you have an account. I will not recommend for you to use a bigger lot size when you have smaller account. If you have at least $300 account, you can use 0.1. That's if you're very good. Use 0.1 so that you can make meaningful amount of money. Imagine if you're making $80 almost every day. 8 times 5, that's $40 every week. $40 every week. So it's money. So you can see this is how to make profit. This is how. What if you're wrong? Now the question is, what if I'm wrong? What if the euro? What if my prediction was wrong and it didn't actually come to this point? Market just went boom. What if I'm wrong? So there's what we call stop loss. All right. Now this is my take profit. This is where I take my profit. I leave the market. And this place here. That's why it's called red. What if I'm wrong? And market eventually came here, and passed this particular color, this particular thing you're seeing here, and passed it. Look at the number that is written on it. 3.7. Let's say 4 pips. So imagine you use 1 lot size. So that 4 pips multiplied by 10, that's $40. You have lost $40. If you use 1 lot size, 4 times 1, that is the dollar value. You have lost $4 out of your account. That is if you are wrong. That's what we're talking about. Wrong in your prediction and right in your prediction. So guys, this video is basically how to make profits and losses in the market using pips and lot size. I'm going to be doing practical class or practical, not really practical. I'm going to be doing a video on a demo account for you to see how I'm switching between this particular platform to my MT5 platform and my broker platform. Those 3 technologies, I'm going to be doing a video on that. All right. So I hope you find this video very, very interesting. Do have a wonderful time. Bye.